Hello everyone, this is Yuxiang Zhang, and this is my answer for homework 3. And this is the first question. The question is P of A equals to K represents a probability mass function. So we can get this sigma of k equals to 1 to infinity. P of kx equals to k equals to b multiply 1 multiply p to 0 plus b multiply 2 multiply p to 1 and plus b multiply n multiply p to n minus 1 equals to 1, and this is the first formula, and we can use p multiply sigma k equals to 1 to infinity of p of x equals to k. It equals to p minus 1 multiply 1 multiply p to 1 and plus b multiply n and multiply p to n equals to p. This is the second formula, and let the first formula minus the second formula, we can get this 1 minus p equals to b multiply 1 multiply p to 0 plus b multiply 1 multiply p to 1 and plus b multiply 1 and multiply p to n minus 1 and minus b multiply n and multiply p to n, and it equals to b multiply 1 minus p to n over 1 minus p minus b multiply n and multiply p to n, and because 1 is greater than 0 and less than 1, and we can get this 1 minus p equals to b multiply 1 over 1 minus p and minus 0. So we can get b equals to 1 minus p square. And the second question is e of x, and e of x equals to sigma k equals to 1 to infinity. B multiply k multiply p to k minus 1 multiply k, and it equals to sigma k equals to 1 infinity, and b multiply k square and multiply p to k minus 1, and we can get this formula. E of x is equals to b multiply 1 square multiply p to 0 plus b multiply 2 to 2 2 square to and multiply p minus p to 1 and plus b multiply n square and multiply p to n minus 1, and we can use this p multiply e of x equals to b multiply 1 square and multiply p to 1 and plus b multiply 2 square and multiply p square and multiply plus b multiply n square and multiply p to n. So we can use this formula minus this formula. We can get this 1 minus p multiply e of x equals to b multiply 1 multiply p to 0, and plus b multiply 3 multiply p to 1 and plus b multiply 2n plus 1 multiply p to n minus 1 and minus b multiply n square and multiply p to n, and let this formula multiply p, we can get this formula, and we can use this formula multiply this formula, and we can get this formula, and because this when n equals to infinity, we can let this equals to 0, so we can get this 2 multiply b and multiply p to 0 plus 1 p to 1 plus p to n minus 1 and minus b to multiply p to 0, and we can get this b multiply 2 over 1 minus p and minus 1, it equals to b multiply 1 plus p over 1 minus p, this equals to this, and we can get this b equals to 1 minus p square, and so the e of x is equals to this 1 plus p over 1 minus p. And the third question is e of x square, it equals to sigma k equals to 1 to infinity b multiply k to 3 multiply p to k minus 1, and it equals to this, and let Sn equals to above formula, we can get this, and let p multiply Sn, we can get p we can get p multiply 1 to 3 multiply p to 1 and plus this, and we let above formula multiply 1 minus p, we can get this formula, and we can extend this formula, we can get this 3 point, and this 3 formula equals to this 3 multiply b and multiply 1 plus p over 1 minus p to 3 minus 3 multiply b multiply 1 is 1 over 1 minus p square, and plus b over 1 minus p, and it equals to this, so b multiply 1 plus 4 plus 4 multiply p plus p square over 1 minus p to 3, and it equals this, so e of x square equals to 1 minus p 1 plus 4 multiply p plus p square over 1 minus p square. And the third question is e of x square minus ex square. It equals to the answer of third question and the second question. The third question minus the second question, it equals to this 2 multiply p over 1 minus p square. And this is the fifth question. let p equals to 1 over 3, we can get this. P of x equals to k equals to 4 over 9 multiply k multiply 1 over 3 to k minus 1. And so p of x is greater than equals to 2 is and less or than 5 equals to sigma k equals to 2 to 5 more 4 over 9 multiply k multiply 1 over 3 to k minus 1. It equals to 392 over 729. So p of k equals to p of x equals to k when x is greater or equals to 2 and is less or equals to 5 happened equals to this. And so we can get 81 over 98 multiply k multiply 1 over 3 to k minus 1 when k is greater than or equal to 2 and is less or equals to 5. So we can get the formula p of x equals to k when x is greater or equals to 2 and is less or equals to 5 happened equals to 81 over 98 multiply k multiply 1 over 3 to k minus 1 when k is greater or equals to 2 and is less or equals to 5 and p equals to 0 when otherwise happened. So this is the first answer for this is my answer for first question. Thank you.